Hi, I'm Jeff, hence the name Courtjeffster. Today we're going to start with Strong Box. It's one of my favorite origamis actually because you can basically put everything in it. You could put pens, you can put eyeglass case, you can put potted plant. Okay, not everything, but you get the idea. Okay, so let's start. First thing you need is one sheet of paper. So we'll fold it in half. And try and be even as much as possible. And if it comes out off, if you're just like this or like that, just redo it and give it a nice crease. Turn it facing you now. We had it this way, we're turning it to you. And we're going to take the top and fold it to the bottom line. And take your time. There's no pressure in origami. Okay, open it back up, right? Folded it, open back up, take the top left corner, fold it down to the middle line. And we're going to do the same for the other side. Just stick with it, you know? It seems like a lot of steps, but it's not as many as you think. Now we have this bottom. We folded the top in. Now we're going to take the bottom corner, top flap. If you look closely, there are two flaps here. You're taking the top layer and bringing it to here. So this to here. And then repeat with the other side. This to here. Okay. You should be up to here right now. If you are, great job. And we have this line, right? Next step. We're going to fold this like a book. We're going to fold it from side to side, from here, creasing here to here. So this to here, give it a crease down, open it. We got this border and we're going to move it to the crease we made. Okay, now we open it up, see the squares, and we're going to flip this up. Again, the top layer flipped up. Just go over the creases. Now this is a little bit tricky, so just take a close look. You slip your thumb in here and lift it up, right? You got it like this. Go under here and lift up, and look. Check it out, you already got the box. It's already starting. Now just give it a nice crease, right? Crease over it. Make sure it looks more square. And this is the last part and second to last step. And it's kind of tricky, but just give it some patience. You know, there's no rushing in origami and it should be joyful. And if at any point it's going too fast, you're confused, just rewind the video. Don't give up on it. So let's make believe there's a line in the middle, right? You got this here. We're turning it this direction, right? You have it here. There's a line right from the point to this. So you want to take these two sides and bring it together like this. Right? Now if it comes out that you're bringing it together and it's like this or like this, just open it up, take your time, redo it. See, I'm going to try and make it exact to make it sharp. You want to make sure you got that point. And let's do it again. pretend there's a line from here running up the middle. I'm going to take these two sides from the corner and bring them together. And I'm going to inch it together until the top corner meets. So it's kind of like this. Okay, last step. We're up to the last step. You take this corner, see the flaps? There's flaps on the side. Take the corner that was made, bend it backwards, underneath. All right, give it a crease, make sure it's kind of got that square. And if it came out looking like this, that's okay. You just gotta fill it in a little bit. Okay. It's a box. It's an origami box, one of my favorites because it's useful. And if you put them together, you actually get a cube if you make two of them, which is pretty cool. I don't know what you do with a cube, but it's a cube. You could toss it around. So I'll see you next time. If you got up to this, leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out. And high five. See you later.